Hello and welcome back to another video. In this problem, we're told that triangle PQR has right angle Q. So if we draw that right here, we have a right triangle, right, where the right angle is Q, and then we have PQR. We're told that the sine of angle R is 4/5. What does that mean? That means that the sine, which is the opposite side to R, over the hypotenuse, the ratio of that is 4/5. Now, we don't know the actual values of the opposite side to R, which is QP right here, and the hypotenuse, PR. But if we say the ratio is 4/5, then for some x value, we don't know what x is, PQ is equal to 4x and PR is equal to 5x, right? So if you wanted to find the sine of R, it would be 4x over 5x. The x's cancel, and you're just left with 4/5. We're asked what is the value of tangent P, the angle P right here. The tangent of it is the opposite side to P over the adjacent side to P. Now the adjacent side we know is this side right here, which is just 4x. But we don't know the opposite side, QR. What we have to do is use the Pythagorean theorem. So a squared plus b squared equals c squared. So a and b are the legs and c is the hypotenuse of the triangle. So a squared we can call QR. So QR squared plus b squared is going to be the other leg. So QP is 4x squared is equal to c squared, the hypotenuse, 5x squared. And again, this is going to give you QR in terms of this x. And it does not matter what x is because it'll cancel out in our final solution. So QR squared plus 4 squared is 16, x squared is x squared, and this is equal to 5 squared is 25, x squared is x squared. Subtracting 16x squared from both sides, these cancel and you get QR squared is equal to 25 minus 16 is 9x squared. Sorry, didn't miss anything. And then you take the square root of both sides. The square root of QR squared is just QR. And then this is the square root of 9 squared is the square root of 9 times the square root of x squared, right? If these two things are multiplied under the square root, you can separate them and take the square root of each of them individually. The square root of 9 is 3. The square root of x squared, these just cancel out, it's just x. So the value of QR is 3x. So the opposite side to P is 3x. So the tangent of P is 3x over 4x. And again, like I said, it doesn't matter what x is because it just cancels out. We're left with 3/4 is going to be your final answer. As always, thank you for liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.